You write a lot more code with AI, but it also generates code with vulnerabilities at about the same pace as a human being does, which is an interesting finding when you think about, okay, now we're writing 9 or 10 times more code with AI than we were before. Fixing things as we're writing code takes a couple of seconds. Fixing them once they're in production, up to 40 hours. In most security tools, really the problem isn't a lack of signal or a lack of visibility, is that there's so much signal and visibility and so much information without there being any context attached to that. Wiz breaks that whole thing down. We can find and detect and mitigate those risks in the code before it's ever released in production. Wiz and Google Cloud Security is putting two superpowers together. Google has an incredible set of threat intelligence and deep data, as well as fantastic AI capabilities. And the big thing with Wiz is that it provides unique context across all of our runtime environments, cloud environments, as well as our code bases. Previously, with old cloud technology, we took up to 45 minutes to detect issues. Today, those mitigations fire in 90 seconds or less. Our mean time to detect is roughly 99.9% less than what it was before. And mean time to mitigate can be somewhere around 98%. It's not the mundane fixing 1,000 vulnerabilities a day, or it's actually how do I write new code that's more architecturally sound, and how do I drive 1,000 agents to do the work I need efficiently? That's really where I see the benefit to this overall approach.